Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at IAMGOLD. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers, and I just wanted to remind you that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. Now, in the case of this chart, we actually have quite a simple structure and we are tracking the uptrend as always from the all-time low. And I would say that then here we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, then we are looking to develop the overall third wave to the upside, and the ideal target for such a wave 3 would be at around the 138.2% extension, around the $11.8 level, and we are quite close to actually reaching that point. And then that would be valid. I wouldn't necessarily expect much else from this wave 3, but based on the internal structure that has been developing here internally within this wave 3, I could even argue that this is just a wave 1 and this is a wave 2, and we are only now really starting to get in the third wave of the third wave that has the strongest and most impulsive structure. And that is all due to how strong this movement, this area has been developing, and instead of slowing down, it is actually speeding up and gaining more strength as it goes. So also based on the RSI, I would in fact expect only now to really be within a real third wave structure internally. Of course, there's still multiple subdivisions that this would be a part of overall, but on the larger time frame, in this case, I would be looking for the overall internal wave 3 to have an ideal target at around, let's see, I get this right, around the $24.8 at the 138.2% extension level. And in that case, I would be focusing within this third wave probably to have here a series of 1-2 setups. Now it's not entirely clear where this wave 2 bottom really is, but really it doesn't matter much. Overall, we could say that we are looking for a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup here. So multiple series of 1-2, but really what we are focusing on the most is this area especially, and this is where in fact I will even add a count where we are still within a third wave in this area. In fact, I don't believe even this third wave has completed. I do still expect ideally 2 more highs to complete it, although personally, if I look in the even shorter time frame, I could argue that there's a lot more to come before we actually complete this, because this could easily be seen as a 1-2 setup, then an additional 1-2 setup here. This could be the third wave complete, but even here I could argue that this is 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, third wave up, fourth wave down, fifth wave up, and then we get a series of 4-5 patterns to still push forward with this. But overall, if I look on a larger scale, I would want to focus on, for an invalidation for this direct continuation to the upside, I would be focusing mainly on the levels between the $10.4 down to the $9.5 level at the 50% retracement, and a break below this 50% retracement would be a pretty great warning sign that this overall structure that allows us to push much higher, or really even direct continuation to the upside, at least in an impulse, is failing. This would then really shift to a different scenario where the overall third wave, not even this one, and let me make this a smaller degree, but in that case the overall, where did I add it? The overall wave 3 could end much earlier, and then I would really focus on this level as a key level, a critical level for this structure. But as I was saying, it is still even possible that we continue directly to the upside from the shorter time frame, and in that case I could even argue here on the very micro time frame that this could be maybe a 1-2 setup, then this third wave up, fourth wave down, maybe this as a fifth wave or a first wave within the fifth wave. It is a bit hard to tell in such a short time frame, but I suppose we could be looking for maybe a support in the area between the $10.95 down to the $10.5 level for a more direct continuation in the internal wave 3, where this has not yet topped. This is a very likely interpretation in my opinion, but in that case I would expect direct continuation to the upside. And for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.